Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so very happy to have you guys here as always. I am so happy to be back again. Today guys, I'm going to be doing a DIY video, facial mask or kind of scrub, something that will help to degenerate heat on my skin, to also help and fight acne, fight dead skins and all that. I learned this online. I am going to be trying this for the first time. I've not done it before, okay? So I will take you guys along with me. I'll be doing this once every week to know how it goes, because I've been fighting this. It's reducing, okay? My skin is, if you knew or if you watch my last video, I'll be last or yeah, you will know what I'm talking about. I've been fighting this acne issue, but right now it's getting better. But I want to like exfoliate my skin, remove all the dead cells and dead tissues, okay? Open my pores so that whatever thing I apply on my skin will work effectively. Okay, like I said before, I've not done it before. Let's just see how it goes. If you have a sensitive skin, you really have to be watchful before you try anything. But this is just a natural product. I'm going to be using all natural products to do it, okay? So it's not really going to be that harmful, but skins are different, okay? Let me just see how it goes with me. So let's get into the video. So guys, these are the dry ingredients I'm going to be using for this particular DIY. Okay, I have here about a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of flour, and coffee. Sugar has a lot of natural exfoliating properties to help you remove dead cells. Okay, it also helps to hydrate your skin, promotes a very healthy skin. So if you have brown sugar, is better, okay? But if you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar just like me. Next one, which is flour, there is also very good to help guide your skin. Flour helps in degenerating your skin cells. It also helps to absorb excess oil from your skin. So you can see these products are very good. Another thing, which is coffee, there is also very nice to your skin. Coffee is high in antioxidant properties, which will help to protect your skin from free radical damage. It also has antifungal and antimicrobial properties, okay? The caffeine in coffee will help to protect your skin. It also helps to constrict your skin, making it look firmer and tighter. The next thing I'm using here is lemon. Okay, this is lemon and I'm using half of this lemon. Okay, let's see how it goes. Lemon is also very good. It has properties that will help to decrease inflammation and break down dead skin cells, especially when you're having acne. Then lemon has antifungal properties to help your skin. Next thing I added there is honey. Okay guys, honey is another thing that is also very naturally good for your skin. Honey has a lot of healing properties, especially when you are struggling with acne like me, okay? So honey can be used to help and protect your skin. It controls the appearance of wrinkles also. So these are the natural, dry, and the liquid products I'm going to be using, okay? I have added sugar, coffee, flour, lemon, and honey, okay? These are the things you'll be needing or I'm going to be using. So I'm trying to mix it properly so that it will incorporate properly for the particular thing I'm going to be using it for. So this particular DIY is very good. But what I'm looking at now, it's the way I am seeing this. If you have brown sugar, I think it's better, okay? And also this particular lemon, since I am trying this for the first time, I think you have to use a tablespoon of lemon when you are doing, if you want to try this, okay? Because if you have a sensitive skin, then lemon should be in a very little quantity. So the next thing I want to do, I have washed my face, I've dried my face, so my face is completely clean, very much clean. So I'm trying to apply the mixture on my face. That's the next thing we're going to be doing. So I can't wait to see the results and I will let you guys know. So stick around. Let's just know how it's going to end. This is at my acne, okay? These are my breakouts on my face, and that's exactly why I want to open up my pores. I want to exfoliate my skin so that whatever thing I'm adding on my skin will work effectively. So I am just trying to clean my face. So this is actually my first time of trying this particular DIY, okay? And I want to make sure that my face is completely neat, okay? So for you guys to confirm that actually I just finished washing my face and I can't afford to leave any dates on my face. And seriously, guys, I am planning to be doing this once every week to see how it helps, okay, clear my face, especially when it comes to my acne, okay, help build my skin, because this particular DIY is expected to build up your skin, help you get a healthy glowing skin. Okay, so let's just get into it and know how it works. I cannot wait. So I'm actually applying this mixture on my face, okay, as you can see, trying to scrub it in a circular motion, just especially those places that have that acne, okay. And the feeling is different, okay. Since this is my first time trying this, I'm already feeling how sticky it is on my face, okay. This is just, I am expecting this to work, okay. And if it worked out, seriously, I will be doing this every week, like once every week, to see how it goes. Everything we are using here is actually natural products. Everything I'm using on this particular DIY is all natural, but you have to be sure, okay, if you are having a kind of sensitive skin, very sensitive skin, then you have to think twice before you even try this particular mixture, okay. Already I am feeling that particular sensation on my face. Just applying it, I am feeling a kind of um warmth feeling sensation on my face, okay, to show that it's actually working, it's out working on my face. I am having that sensation, that feeling on my face. So if you have sensitive face, like sensitive skin, you have to think before. But this particular DIY is not harsh. I have finished applying it and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I will leave it on for like some minutes, and after that I will wash it off and show you guys how it is and how I feel about it, okay. So guys, I'm going to wash it off and I'll be right back because this is about like 10 minutes. So ouch, after washing my face, seriously, I feel different. To tell you guys the humble truth, I feel very different. My face is so fresh and soft. I can't explain really the feelings. It's so different. I feel so fresh and different, so soft. And I feel like just rubbing my palms on my face because of this freshness, okay, just like a baby. My skin feels so different and soft. Oh my, that is, this is how my face looks after the DIY. And I'm going to apply a kind of moisturizing my skin, okay. I'm using coconut oil here, so I'm just trying to moisturize my skin with this coconut oil. So guys, seriously, this DIY worth it, okay. It's very good and I am on it. I'm going to be trying it for months. Yes, I'll be doing it once in every week by God's grace, okay, to see how it goes. But the acne, you can still see it, but what I know is that the difference is clear on my skin. I can feel the difference, okay. My skin is so soft I can see the effects on my skin. So let's keep doing it, because I don't expect it to just clear my skin, my acne immediately, as if it's a miracle or kind of so, but I will be trying it once every week to see how it goes on my skin. This is just so cool, so fresh. I love this DIY and I will be doing it. Okay, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, thanks also for being with me until now. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, also hit the notification button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.